need paint matched, you can always go to the store, either bring a little swatch or try to find a can with the sticker, and it'll usually have a code for the mixture of the paint or the name of the paint as well. And use all the stores put that on their cans so people know what their color is. Like this one is a color and a glaze, so we're gonna go try to figure out if we can figure out the base color that's underneath. All right guys, just picked up my paint match. All right, so here's my sample. Right here's the new paint, here's the old paint, so it's really similar. Again, this one had a glaze on it, so they cleaned it up a bit to try to get it to match. But you can see.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex.